Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be teaching y'all how you can label your Serger machine. I currently have the Serger heavy duty machine, and I'm pretty much going to be letting y'all know where the differential feed is, the stitch length, the stitch width dial, upper looper, bottom looper, left needle, right needle, all this good stuff. I'm going to let y'all know exactly where it is on the machine, and I'm also going to be telling y'all what each of these do for the machine and how it contributes to your designs when you are sewing. And I find it so much easier to have everything labeled so you know exactly what is what, how it helps, and how it contributes to any of your designs and so forth like that. So let's get into it. What you will need is some Scotch magic tape, and you will also need a Sharpie. I have some labeling here and up here, and also I have some on the side, but these are fading. So I'm going to be removing the old labels and placing new ones on. As you guys can see, removing the tape does not mess up your machine, so when you are labeling and you're concerned that it may ruin your machine, it will not. Now I'm just going to go ahead and remove the rest of these, and then I am going to wipe it off with some rubbing alcohol, and that should remove any of the sticky residue. I have the left needle labeled, right needle, upper looper, and lower looper. Whenever you are using your serger and you thread up your machine, you want to put your cone on, and as you know, you're going to follow with the left needle. So you know this one here, the blue, directly goes to the left needle, the green directly goes to the right needle, the red is for the upper looper, which is all the red dots here, the yellow is for the lower looper, which is all the yellow dots here, and everything is nicely labeled so you don't get confused. I originally had the stitch length here, as y'all have seen, but this knob here accumulates a lot of dust and it also becomes very sticky for some reason. So I'm just going to put it right over here, and then I'm going to put the differential feed right back down here. Now that we have both of these labeled, before we move on to the next part, I am going to let y'all know what the stitch length does. So the stitch length adjusts the distance between each stitch and helps control seam strength and fabric movement. Shorter stitches are ideal for creating tight, dense seams, mainly for delicate fabrics and rolled hems, while longer stitches are ideal for making looser, flexible seams, mainly for thicker fabrics and gathering. The differential feed controls how the fabric moves through the machine using the feed dog. Adjusting it prevents stretching and gathering on your fabric. Anything above 1 is ideal for gathering fabrics and creating ruffles or preventing stretching on knits. Anything below 1 is ideal for stretching fabrics and creating lettuce hems or avoiding puckering on lightweight fabrics. Now for this one, I am just going to take the tape and write it and then place it, because trying to write it in this corner is not ideal. The stitch width dial, which is this knob right here, controls how much fabric is trimmed before stitching. It also moves the cutting blade to create wider and narrow seams. Just to show y'all what it looks like. So this is the blade right here, and I am just going to move the knob. As y'all can see, it is moving outward, so it's moving to the right. It's backing away from the plate here. Wider stitches like this are ideal for thicker fabrics, while narrow stitches are ideal for lightweight fabrics, rolled hems, and delicate